Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing 3ds Max and confirming your files are saved. This avoids data loss while changing settings. Next, get administrator rights because you'll edit system-level settings. Once done, back up the specific registry key or the preferences file. This gives you a restore point if something breaks. Now open the registry editor or locate the MAX. ini/3dsmax. CFG in the program folder. These are the first actionable steps to stop crash reporting. Proceed carefully and keep that backup handy. You'll now disable the reporter flags. In Registry Editor, go to HKey current user /software /Autodesk /3ds Max /version and locate keys like Crash Reporter enabled. Set numeric value to 0. Alternatively, open 3ds Max, CFG or MAX. ini in a text editor and add Disable Crash Reporting = 1 under Defaults or similar section. Save as admin. Make sure file permissions remain unchanged so 3ds Max can read the file. These changes stop automatic crash uploads while preserving local logs for diagnosis. Finish by restarting 3ds Max and verifying the crash report prompt no longer appears. Open Help About or trigger a safe crash test to confirm. If the app behaves oddly, immediately restore your registry or config backup to revert to known state. Make sure file and registry permissions allow 3ds Max read access. Incorrect permissions cause startup errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if disabling reporting breaks plugins or cloud features, re-enable only the specific flags you changed, rather than removing entire sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.